didn't do much.
Are you ready? Okay. Merry Christmas.
She can get it.
Here.
Don't let her figure it out.
Oh,
She'll never get
she's
it out
gonna
of there.
chew through the thing.
She might. Better tear it up. What the hell?
No, it's her stocking.
Get her now.
Kill it.
My godmother made that one.
She's getting in there.
Good
girl.
Look, she's smart.
Get
See that?
No, she's not. She's a dumb dog.
No, she's smart. Going for the opening instead of digging through it.
Get that Christmas.
She'll end up with some sparkles on her face too.
Holy shit. Look at that.
It's pretty intense, Dad.
Feel that.
Looks scary.
Look at this,
Get it,
Russ.
Lou? Get it, Lou.
Get the Christmas.
Beautiful.
Very good.
Oh, got it. Woo!
Wow, she got it out.
Yay. Hi, Justin. You can take